Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states, we were sitting with Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'ab in a gathering when Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu came in fury, stopped there and said, I adjure you by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whether anyone of you has heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, permission should be sought thrice. If you are granted the permission, that's well, otherwise go back. Hazrat Ubay said, why are you asking about this hadith? We whereupon said, I sought the permission of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu thrice, but I was not granted the permission, so I came back. Today I again went to him and notified him that I visited him yesterday, saluted him thrice and then came back. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, we heard your salutation, but we were busy with some task then. Would that you had kept something permission until you would have been given the permission. Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu said, I sought your permission in the way I heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam seeking it. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will administer punishment on your back or belly, or you produce any witness to it. Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'ab radiyallahu anhu said, only the youngest of us all can bear witness to it. O Abu Sa'id, get up. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu says, I then got up, reached Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu and said, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say the same. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5593.